This is my wife shooting our 300 blackout at some tannerite. All right, Mom, just on your mark. Whenever if you want to shoot a bottle first to test it, that's fine. Whatever you want to do. Oh, now that's what's supposed to happen. Dang, that was freaking bad. Oh, it blew your camera up. I'm kidding. Dang, Kelly, that was freaking bad, dude. Did you hit it? I didn't see.
I don't know where that other bottle is, though.
Woo! Load you another one in there.
I can't find the other.
This is my lovely wife, 300 blackout. She's making it happen. Oh, beautiful shot. Oh, excuse me. You got any more in there?
No, I'm gonna go check the first.
Drop the safety. Put the safety on.